Hello, thank you for joining us. We're going to be talking about my new boat. This, folks, is the Lund 1775 Impact XS series. It is about 17.5 foot long. We have I think it's like 90-inch beam, so she is thick. Damn, boy, he's thick! But I love this boat so far. Yeah, let's take a look at the back. Here we have a Honda 9.9. That's our kicker. We can use these on our small inland lakes and for trolling for whatever other fish. And then we got the main guns here. This is the Honda 115, and I tell you what, folks, she gets up and goes. Let's see here. We went with the ski package style. Meaning, well, our nets are in now, but we have a ski pole for your watercraft needs. If you're not out there having fun reeling them in, we can do some skiing. We got extra seats here in the back, and a plus to those is they are storage. We store our life vests in there. And you can store whatever you want. That's what we store in there. Both of them have pretty good storage. Well, that's our batteries, but you can store little stuff in there. Well, for big, girthy girls and boys, it's got a divider in it. Take it out for the big fish. I'm not sure these are the Pro Ride seats. Probably not. But we went with 3. The boat's capacity is about 6 people, though. Cameraman, you getting there? Onto our main dash here. This is how we get her up and going. Really good steering wheel, adjustable. We also went with the family package. You hear that? Insane. Has a whole bunch of different modes: Bluetooth, aux, and then just your regular FM and AM radios. My Hummingbird, I went with a 9 Helix. This has the mega down imaging. Love it so far. Great GPS, great clarity in the mega down imaging. There's more to come. We went with the 9 here at the captain's desk. We got our extra storage down below. It's all a mess in here, folks. That's our rain gear in case it rains. Glove compartment. This is a great place to keep your electronics, like ship-to-shore radio. And our iPilot, which we'll get to later. What's a boat without rod storage, huh? We got, I don't know how many poles. At least 10 poles up to 8 foot long. You can store in there, break them down, whatnot. And we also have, for the go, both sides. You can store at least 2 rods. So when you feel like those fish are on a different bite, snag those puppies out of there. Up front, shall we? Massive room here. Camera guy and I are here. Arm's length away. It's amazing. Our first storage here More life vests. We got a lot of life vests. And you can also have extra storage for your tackle needs. This is our main, maybe not more life vest. Here we go. Our main tackle storage here. It also has, we talked about one live well already, right? 2 for your smaller fish. Here's another extra little storage. I use this for when I'm bass fishing. I'll put my soft plastics up here because some of the soft plastics like to flop off or get chewed up real quick. So just a quick, easy change from all that. Now on to our trolling motor up front. It's optional. We went for the trolling motor because we like to do a lot of shore fishing, and it also helps because we have the Terova iPilot. This is an 80-pound thrust trolling motor, and what that iPilot does is it is actually Bluetooth. You can connect it to this. You see there the iPilot. And it just gives you a whole bunch of stuff. You can do it on autopilot. You can change your speed. It's very cool. If you have a GPS spot in, say you've been coasting with the wind, you can press it back, go to. The trolling motor will kick on, bring you right back to that spot. Our second hummingbird is up front. This is the 7 Helix, and I think this is also down imaging. And the cool thing with this this trolling motor is the transducer is actually on the bottom. So yeah, so what you're seeing here on this, what we're seeing here on this hummingbird is actually from the front of the boat. The back 9 Helix is from the back of the boat. If I were you, I'd buy a Lund. Very, very reliable boat. And they just look so goddamn good. This is what I used to use. And this is what I have now. Ahoy there. Well, we just want to thank you for watching if you watched. Yeah, give me some tips on what I should do next maybe. We really love hearing some feedback from you guys, so that'd be awesome. Stay tuned for whatever the heck we do next.
Should have fired it up. I don't know.
No, you
too
can't.
much. Yeah,
you can't if it's out of water.
That's a wrap.